not the lash they fear. It is my divine power.
What's up? Papa up in the house. Yeah, man. So check it out. It's a 2010 Chevy Tahoe. All stock right now. I took the third row out because I already knew what I was going to do with it, so I got plans for it. Good area to put some door panels on here. I always like to show some love to the hardest TrailBlazer out there. If you think this is the hardest TrailBlazer out there, go ahead and put a thumbs up on the video. If you like what I'm doing on this channel, go ahead and subscribe. I put a lot of time into this one, but most of my videos stem on how-tos, and I've got a lot of traction on this vehicle right here, the Nissan Altima. Yeah, I still have it. It's locked right now, but we got some cool stuff coming to the channel for this one. Stay tuned. But right now we're going to talk about something else, and that is the Tahoe. All right, so as you've seen already, probably on the thumbnail, two different designs. Let me see. Right here. So you've got just the box design that'll go in the back of the vehicle, and then you've got a C-pillar wall. Now keep in mind, guys, I already have a fourth order. This is a fourth order. I already have a fourth order in my TrailBlazer. I don't have nothing like that yet. And this is going to be a stacked port, 3 layers. And this is going to be a pull-out port, 3 layers for the baffle. So what I want you guys to do is like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know which one you would like to see Papa build in the Tahoe. So go ahead and go down in the comments, make a selection. Tell me if you want to see the fourth order or if you just want to see the box, the regular subwoofer box. And I'll tell you what's going to be in them. It's going to be 4 12s, okay? 4 12s. I already got the 12s. It's not going to be 15s. That's what it's going to be. It's going to be 4 12s, and it's going to be 9,000 watts, give or take. All right. I already got the equipment. I'll release that later, but I'm telling you right now, that's what it is. 4 12s, 9,000 watts. RMS, of course. And they will be wired to 1 ohm each. So each pair, of course. So again, get down in the comments. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Shoot, man. That's it. Peace out.